WhatsApp Web comes with all the essential features available in its mobile app, but sometimes when we try downloading one of these files, WhatsApp Web doesn't download files. Here's how to fix that. The first thing you can try to do is restart your PC. As basic and simple as it sounds, it's also quite effective. Another thing to ensure is that the internet is working properly on the computer. Try opening a new page in the browser. If the website doesn't load, there is some network issue. In that case, you should restart your modem. Now that you've restarted your computer and ensured that the internet is working properly, you can check the date and time settings on your system. On a Windows PC, you can do that by right-clicking on the date and time section on your computer's taskbar, and then selecting the Adjust Date Time option. In the new window that pops up, you'll see the currently set date and time of your PC. In the case that is incorrect, just ensure that the toggle next to Set Time Automatically is enabled, and then click on Sync Now to synchronize the time with Windows servers. Alternatively, for macOS users, just click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. Then click on System Settings. Now click on General in the sidebar, then click Date and Time on the right side. Make sure to turn on the Set Time and Date Automatically setting. Then enter a network time server for your region. Your macOS device will automatically sync with the servers to reflect the correct time. If the issue with WhatsApp Web still persists, try to check if you have any ad blockers installed and enabled. Check your ad blocker settings, and make sure to whitelist web.whatsapp.com in it. Another thing you can try is to simply log out and log back into WhatsApp Web. To do so, open WhatsApp Web and click on the three-dot icon above the chat list. Select Log Out from it. Once logged out, you will be asked to scan the QR code again. Use that to log back into WhatsApp Web. Then try downloading the files. Lastly, it's possible that your browser cache and cookies are the culprit behind this, in which case you can just clear them out. The process remains the same for most browsers, but here's how to do it on Google Chrome. Simply open Google Chrome and click on the three-dot icon at the top. Then select Settings. Then click on Clear Browsing Data. Select the checkbox next to Cookies and Other Site Data, and Cached Images and Files. Then hit the Clear Data button. Finally, close your browser and log into WhatsApp again. Hopefully, you are now able to successfully download files from WhatsApp Web. If you like this guide, make sure to follow and subscribe to Guiding Tech for more tutorials related to your everyday technology. And make sure to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.